In a kingdom where the grass whispers of prosperity, the morning sun bathes the land in a golden, hopeful glow. Every creature, from the towering giraffe to the swift antelope, plays a vital role in keeping this verdant paradise flourishing down in the rich soil. Even the smallest paws work tirelessly, planting the seeds of a future they all share. But history carries a warning. Legend tells of the sunny days, when the earth cracks and the vibrant green turns to dust. They remember the hunger of the great drought. A time when the horizon offered no relief and the streams ran dry. King Lion watches the horizon, his heart heavy with memory, knowing that survival depends on the choices made today. Standing atop the ancient rock, the king summons his subjects, his golden mane glowing like a crown in the sunlight. With a voice like rolling thunder, he speaks of foresight, wisdom, and the incredible strength found in their unity. The animals listen, their eyes reflecting determination. Fear melts away, replaced by the fire of a shared and noble purpose. Then came the harvest. The fields erupted in a sea of gold, heavy with fruit, a reward for their relentless labor. The mighty elephants lead the way, lifting great baskets of abundance. Their strength a pillar of the kingdom's survival, deep in the cool, shaded earth. The smaller creatures store the treasures, ensuring not a single seed is wasted. Within the safety of sturdy caves, every family contributes to the reserves, building a fortress of food against the coming heat. King Lion walks among them, nodding with approval. Their hard work has secured a future for every creature in the land. As the sun sets on a united kingdom, they stand ready, for when the sunny days arrive, they meet them with plenty.